It is my great honor to welcome you all to the significant occasion, the induction of our new members and installation of the new officers for the Millennium 2024-2026. We are truly thankful for sharing your precious moments with us today. Today we gather to celebrate the commitment and dedication of individuals who have stepped up to lead and serve our SIL.
It's not just a symbolic distinction of leadership, nor a ceremonial passing of the torch. It is a solemn reaffirmation of our collective resolve and a celebration of the unwavering commitment each of you brings to our cause. That God called us all to live for this purpose of glorifying His name through our Surrounding service, through kindness, humility, integrity, and respect.
Your club looks up to you for the successful execution of the purposes of Surrounding, namely leadership, service, commitment, friendship, integrity, and sincerity. Each of you pledges to abide by the ideals and purposes of the Seraptinis International of the Philippines region, and Seraptinis International of the Americas, and the Seraptinis International. The duties of your office and promise to fulfill them the best of your ability. Isa pa po ulit.
Actually, really a destiny. I believe in that. So I gave it a go. That's gonna be my dream life, and I engage myself and pinilala ko kung ano ba talaga yung Surrounding. Surrounding a green go for helping underprivileged women in Europe. So, yun lang po at salamat ang ngayon. Nakakayak ata po mag-accept ng president. This moment, that time, that they told me that they prayed for it. Sino bang makakapanggil kapag Diyos lang sumatak, pag Diyos lang nag-call, pag Diyos lang nagsabi? So of course not. You would always say no to Him. You would always say yes, even if it's really nakakatakot. Even if you know that you cannot do it, but He has a purpose.
Nanindigan po kayo. Nanindigan po tayo to say that Seraptinis. And I think that's our purpose in life. I am so proud na tayo po yung Seraptinis. Iba naman po talaga yung ganda at tindig ng isang Seraptinis.